Famous investor Michael Burry has issued a warning that this may just be a sucker's rally for the markets. Also, I want to talk to you about the energy situation brewing in Europe and how that might affect global energy prices and send inflation spiking back up. Also, Bitcoin is doing a very interesting thing on the 3-day charts as we are looking for a potential RSI breakout. All of that and more in today's video. My name's Lark. I make videos on investing. If you like the top, make sure to subscribe to the channel and of course, leave a little tap on that thumbs up button if you do appreciate this kind of content. Now let's get into it. This tweet from Michael Burry, the famous guy who called the big housing short in 2008. Well, he said, NASDAQ, a bull market because it's up 20% off its lows. Who makes this stuff up after 2000? NASDAQ did that 7 times as it fell 78% to its 2020 low. As I keep saying, this is a bear market rally until otherwise proven. We could be in that situation on the Wall Street cheat sheet where maybe it's not even to the disbelief phase yet. This is a sucker's rally, right? Maybe we're still just down here in the depression phase somewhere. Maybe we're even in the denial phase. Who knows? But I would say that until proven otherwise, until we get some real price action to break out of the downtrend, that this is still a bear market rally. But let me know what you think. Where are we at on this Wall Street cheat sheet chart? Are we in the depression? Is this a disbelief phase? Are we still somewhere over here and we have a lot lower to go? Capitulation hasn't even happened yet. I think capitulation has happened, but let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. Now, one thing that I think we should all be keeping an eye on is the energy situation in Europe. Because of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, we are seeing energy security in Europe being tested. Now, in particular, what we need to watch out for is what happens in the winter, right? We're coming up on winter. It's going to start getting cold in Europe in just a couple of months' time, right? When that happens, people are going to be demanding, well, to heat their homes and not freeze to death, right? It's a tough situation, though, for Europe because they're already starting to have to ration gas, and there's going to be some tough choices that might have to be made across the European Union as a result of the war in Ukraine, the sanctions that the European Union has put on Russia, who's their main gas provider. Of course, not anymore. Russia's been cutting off gas to different European countries in response to their sanctions actions and other things. So this is something that could send energy prices spiking back up later this year. And if that happens, guess what? Inflation is probably going to follow right up along with it, and that pushes the price of everything back up. That pushes the price of shipping a container back up. That pushes the price of fertilizer back up. That pushes the price of moving goods back up, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. All these knock-on effects, heating people's homes, et cetera, et cetera. It's a big story to keep an eye out for, and it doesn't seem like we're seeing a lot of resolution to it yet. So expect higher energy bills, as German Chancellor Olaf Scholz says. Higher bills are coming, expect it, and how high, I think, becomes the question. How much does that affect global markets? Because remember, energy is a global commodity, and what happens in Europe will have resounding effects everywhere else. Now let's talk about the price of Bitcoin. It's funny, Bitcoin almost rallied up to $25,000 yesterday, and then everybody kind of remembered, oh crap, inflation is still 8.5%. So even though the inflation has come down from 9.1% all the way down to 8.5%, which in theory is bullish if we have peaked on inflation, but there's still a lot of macroeconomic events that are weighing very heavily on investor minds that indicate, well, we should still be approaching the markets with caution. Yes, there's opportunities, right? There's opportunities from great swing trades during this whole period, but overall, we should remain cautious as investors. By the way, if you are a cryptocurrency trader, you need yourself an account over on Bybit. Use the link down below. You'll get 30% off of your fees up to $4,450 in deposit bonuses that you can use to come over here and long and short Bitcoin, Ethereum, trade on their spot markets with all kinds of fun altcoins and more. So check it out if you are a trader. Now, let's talk real quick about Bitcoin. So as we can see, this is the 3-day chart. I want to show this to you. This is pretty interesting. This is the 3-day chart here for Bitcoin. So we can see we put in an RSI peak on the 7th of January, 2021. Ever since then, we have been in a downtrend on the RSI. And look what is happening right now. Right now, this is some very interesting stuff right here. We are challenging the downtrend line. Now, if we break out here, that has the real potential to start a major rally, maybe beyond our bear market rally. Crypto does have the ability to stage its own market rallies outside of what, the NASDAQ is doing, right? We usually follow very closely to the stock markets, but we have the Ethereum merge coming up. We have BlackRock getting into Bitcoin. All these things provide potential bullish catalysts for the markets. So maybe we do see a breakout here. Now, obviously, I would really like to see the breakout on the weekly. That's probably an even more important one to see, and we are quite a ways away from seeing that happen still. Need a lot of positive price action for that. The weekly breakout, that will be the real deal in terms of saying we've hit a major trend reversal, at least potentially, right? The 3-day, that says we're heading in the right direction. We could see a breakout, and this could help that short-term move for the bear market rally, getting us up to 28,000, maybe even getting us up as far as testing, well, some of these key moving averages here for Bitcoin. Switch that back over to the daily charts. So we have been playing, of course, with the 50-day exponential moving average, but let's get up to retest the 100 or the 200-day exponential moving averages. Maybe we even get as far as testing the downtrend line on this bear market rally. But 28K, in my opinion, remains the major target. Interesting as well to see Ethereum's just been such a strong asset. The hype building around the merge is incredible. We do have a new date for the Ethereum merge, by the way. It's looking to be September 15th, potentially September 16th. It depends on when the block that it's been scheduled for actually comes out. So depending on how quickly or slowly blocks are mined between now and then, we'll determine that. But only 35 days to go, guys. Only 35 days to go. 34 days to go. 34 days to go. There you go. Got to update that. 34 days to go. It's going to happen before you know it. Just a little over a month before we see this major event happen for Ethereum. I expect Ethereum and Ethereum-based assets will remain strong in the run-up to this event. Of course, that happens in September. Big buy the rumor, sell the news. Prices get pushed up. Maybe we hit these upper areas of price resistance at $2,000 or $2,150, come up to retest the 200-day exponential moving average. Then everybody realizes that winter is coming in Europe, that the Ethereum merge, while bullish, is not going to have, an immediate mega moon effect, and the price is correct. We sell the news, and then everybody goes, holy crap, Europe's about to get really cold, energy prices are about to go crazy, and we go back into, another downtrend for the market as a potential idea, right? Anyway, let me know what you think about all of this. Do you think that Ethereum is going to hit some of these higher price targets moving closer to the merge? Do you think that the energy situation in Europe is actually going to have an impact on global markets, or is it going to end up being a big fat nothing burger? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.